You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this French film director and screenwriter. Well, also an actor. We'll be looking at how to say more French names many get wrong. Stay tuned, including from cinema. In French it's said as François Truffaut. François Truffaut. It's easy. You can say it in English as François Truffaut. François Truffaut, silent T indeed. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci. Au revoir. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.